Hi, I'm Zed, and welcome back. So today, we are going to be potting up some propagates that I've been propagating for a while. And I have 3 of these nice 4-inch pots that I'm going to put them in, because I want to keep them small for now, and when they grow, I'll just repot them as necessary. So, first, we are going to repot this snake plant with this snake plant. I know they look totally different. This one grew a pup way earlier than this one started growing a pup. So, and this one looks a lot wrinklier, but I'm going to pot them up. So to pot them, the substrate I'm using is going to be this mushroom compost, right here. Ooh, mushroom compost. And it's going to be great. So I'll put the mushroom compost in to the level that I want the snake plant at. So I'm going to put this one deeper than this one because this one already has a bigger pup on it. So we're just going to put another layer. And then this one, just look at it. And I think it's pretty good so far. So now I'm going to fill up around the pup. Try not to get any soil in the pup. So it stands up by itself. I just blew a little dirt out of the pup. Okay. So now we're part of the snake plants. We're just going to set that over there very carefully, because their leaning tower of Pisa on me. Oh no! I might put a bamboo skewer in there to hold them up for the time being, but that'll be good for now. So next we're going to repot this Syngonium white butterfly. It has some nice roots on it. I don't like to wait till their roots get really big, because then I feel like it takes them longer to acclimate to soil. So we're going to put the soil up to the level. And I really like mushroom compost because it stays wet when I need it to stay wet, but it dries out pretty quickly. So it gives me more room for error. If I use just straight mushroom compost, then I just like it better. I even use this for I even use this for my Monstera deliciosa, which I know is weird, but it's doing really well. It's doing really well in it. It'd probably do better if I put in some chunky aroid mix or something, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. See, now that's all nice and planted up. And then, okay, so after research, I don't think this is an Aglaonema. I think this is a dumb cane, a silver striped dumb cane, because Aglaonemas famously don't root in water. So there's that. And then we're gonna put soil up in there. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. A little higher than that, I think. That's a good height, I think. Yeah, it's a good height. So there, now it's all nice and... I'm burying this one pretty deep because it's gonna get a lot bigger, and I want it to just stand up by itself right now. It looks like it's reverting because it was in such a low light area from when I got it. So it started reverting back. Which I didn't know the variegation on this was weird like that. I don't know. So now we got those 3 all nice and potted up. Oh, and I have a little towel down so I don't have to clean the table very much afterwards. So now we're going to water them. So I'm going to go get my watering can thingamajigger. Okay. So instead of using my watering can, I decided to use a technique called bottom watering, or butt chugging as I like to call it, for them, because they're brand new and their roots are very delicate. And I'm just going to let them soak for a couple of hours, and then I'll move them to their semi-permanent homes on the plant shelf. So that's that. And I wanted to show you this weird experiment I'm doing. So these are orchid roots, right? And I just have them sitting in this vase of water. This snake plant used to be. And I don't know why, but I think it's really cool to show the color change of the silvery green to this green. And I don't know, I've just been leaving them in there. It's a pretty cool experiment to me. Maybe they'll grow more roots. I don't know, that'd be weird. And then I have another experiment where this is like moss, and I stuck an orchid root in here too. These orchid roots are from an orchid I just mounted, which I'm not going to show you that, but I did do that. So there's that. So everything is potted up and butt chugging right now, and I want to show you something. I want to show you something that I drew. I don't know if it's very good, but this is my Monstera Deliciosa, my juvenile one, and it's not completely finished yet, but I really like it. And tell me if I should draw more of my plants, because I'm just like a hobby artist, not like a artist, but this was really fun to draw. So, and if you guys did like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Zed Jones, and thank you for your time today. Bye!